ओम संवत्सराय नमः। संवसद्रतिदातृत्वात् ब्रह्मा संवत्सराभिधः नियामकस्तस्य विष्णुस्तावद्रूपेषु संस्थितः तत्संवत्सरसंवानः स विष्णुः परमेश्वरः। This shloka from Aitareya Upanishad Bhashya and Samvatsaro Vasanacha, a sentence from Chandogya Upanishad Bhashya, explain the word Samvatsara. The four-headed Brahma gives pleasure to those who live doing their duty. Here, Samvasat means living, doing their duty. Sam is properly and Vasat is living. And Ra means giving pleasure to them. And Lord Vishnu is there in Chaturmukha Brahma and is called Samvatsara Sammana. Sammana means equal. Chaturmukha Brahma is there everywhere in this world. The Lord Vishnu is also there wherever Brahma is. So, the Lord is considered Samvatsara Sammana. In fact, it is Lord Vishnu who gives pleasure to everybody, including Goddess Lakshmi, Brahma, Vayu, and other heavens. Because the word Vatsa means the one who praises the Lord and tries to know Him. And Lord Vishnu accepts their praises and gives knowledge to them. And consequently gives liberation and a great pleasure. So the Lord Himself is prominently Samvatsara. The word Ahaha means days, months, and Samvatsara means years. The Lord is called both Ahaha and Samvatsara because He regulates the complete time. Seconds, minutes, hours, days, nights, fortnights, months, years, and so on. According to the scriptures, the presiding deities of time are Vayu, Brahma, and Goddess Lakshmi. And Lord Vishnu regulates the time along with its presiding deities, Lakshmi, Brahma, and Vayu. As it is said in Brahma Tarka, quoted in Bhagavad Tatparya, Evam saha kalanamapi kalastha parameshwaraha. The Almighty God is called also Kala because He regulates the time and all the beings concerned to the Kala.